noise-free motor made by Okin with industry-leading manufacturing process. This electric bed base with 3 individual Okin motors for head tilt, back incline and foot incline. The unique individual head, pillow tilt offers you more positions to enjoy the lifestyle benefits including watching TV, reading, working, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Wall Hugger Adjustable Base. Maxxprime Adjustable Bed Frame has the wall hugger feather, wall hugger engineering to keep you in place as you adjust, saving up to 9 inches 23 cm heavy-duty metal adjustable legs 4 inches 6 inches to 10 inches to fit in most bed frames. Ideal for use with foam, latex mattresses. Supports a maximum weight of 900 pounds. Number 2. Luxury Feathers. Adjustable bed frame with 4x3 speed massages for queen and split king, 2x3 speed massages for twin XL. Dual USB ports at the head of the base on each side. Flat, zero gravity, lounge, TV, PC, programmable positions with wireless remote and Bluetooth app for both Apple and Android devices. Number 3. Simple Assembly. This adjustable bed base only a few parts need to be a screw, could be assembled within half an hour as long as you follow the manual. We strongly recommend 2 able-bodied adults set up and assemble this product. Number 4. U.S. Professional Service Team. Our U.S. service team provides 1, 3 and 10-year limited warranty for this bed frame. Welcome to contact us for more details. Notice: this bed frame shipped by 2 boxes, may not arrive together, PLS waiting another 1 to 3 working days. Number 5. Individual Okin Motor. Noise-free motor made by Okin, with 3 individual Okin motors for head tilt, back incline and foot incline. The unique individual head, pillow tilt offers you more positions to enjoy the lifestyle benefits including watching TV, reading. Number 6. Stackable Legs. The super heavy-duty metal legs are stackable. The combination gives you a set of 4 inches, 6 inches, or 10 inches legs for the perfect height. Number 7. Blue Backlight Wireless Remote. Independently control the head and foot incline. The wireless remote makes it easy to adjust the positions and control the head and foot massage functions of this massage bed. Each base comes with 1 remote. Enjoy one-touch flat and endless head and foot incline options. Full-featured ergonomic wireless backlit remote. Number 8. Maximum Weight Testing. Maxxprime Adjustable Bed Frame will be tested 20,000 times up and down at 1,500 pounds before we decide to release this item, while the manual says 750 pounds is just a conservative description. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.